What's up, guys? I'm Anthony from What's in the Box.
What's up, guys? This is Jiraiya from What's in the Box.
What's up, guys? I'm Isaac from What's in the Box.
What up, guys? I'm Jordan from What's in the Box.
Alright, guys, so initially we started this channel out, it was just me and Jiraiya. Jiraiya is actually the star of the show. I'm supposed to be the co-star, but he needs to get a little bit more comfortable with himself first. So we're going to start doing that more often. He's going to actually introduce the products. So Isaac's actually going to take over social media for us. He's going to be working on Twitter, Facebook,
Snapchat,
Instagram, anything we can do to get the channel out there. And Tubbas, Jordan, is our camera guy. So he's going to be in charge of our cameras, our overhead camera, and the camera there. And they'll all team up together and do editing. So I want to say right now, thank you to all of our subscribers. We have got 676 subscribers in a short period of time. I don't even know how we did it. I don't know what we did to catch people's attention. But we're going to continue bringing you great stuff. We're going to try our hardest. We're trying to get out there and work with bigger companies. Jiraiya is going to start working on that for us, being the star of the show.
And then, since we've been getting people who like unboxing more than gaming, we're going to make a second channel later on in the future that's dedicated to gaming.
Yeah, so we'll separate our gaming videos from our unboxing videos, so that way we have both of our audiences. They don't have to worry about which videos they're going to watch. But yeah, this is something we're going to do together as a family, me and my boys. They've been talking about getting on YouTube. They have a bunch of channels that have not been too successful.
Okay, Fortnite.
So we're going to do that for you guys. We're going to have another giveaway coming pretty soon. We'll announce that for that giveaway.
Hit 700 subscribers, we'll do the giveaway.
Yep. And then once we do that giveaway, we're actually going to go down the Twitter route with that. So if you guys follow us on Twitter and retweet the giveaway, then you guys will be entered in the giveaway. We'll announce that probably in the next video what we're going to do. But yeah, this is everybody here. So we got Jiraiya, Isaac, and Jordan, aka Tubbas, our camera guy. Guys, thank you for 676 subscribers. Keep watching the videos. Tell your friends, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.